Meaning of Doncaster.
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 Doncaster. Doncaster is a town located in South Yorkshire, England. The name is derived from the River Don, which runs through the town, and the Anglo-Saxon word "caestor," meaning fortified town or Roman fort. Doncaster has a rich history dating back to Roman times, and was an important industrial center during the 19th and early 20th centuries, particularly in the areas of coal mining and railway engineering. Today, Doncaster is a vibrant town with a mix of historic and modern attractions, including museums, galleries, shopping centers, and sporting venues such as the Doncaster Racecourse.